Noisy Jan.
Noisy Jan? What the hell is Jan?
That's Pashtun for bless you.
Oh, bless you, our followers.
Right, what are we doing?
We have got a giveaway, haven't we?
We have. It's a Tutoro chain oiler. Is that right?
Yeah, Tutoro chain oiler. Really good chain oiler. You can hit the card. Now, let's see if we get this right. I think it's up that side to see the video about it. But we asked people to subscribe to us, to like the video and leave a comment that made us laugh. So we've randomly selected a comment.
We could show you how we did it using the Google randomizer thing, but you know.
Yeah, but that's all very complicated, isn't it?
We don't want to do that.
No, so we're just going to find our chosen comment, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Do you want to read it out? Because it's a very long one.
I had it as well, and it came up with a guy who, luckily for us, isn't so far away.
Oh, really?
A guy called Ade Riley. Ade Riley.
Well done. You've
won
got
it.
a Tutoro chain oiler coming to you very soon.
Right, and the message is massive.
Yeah, read it out. Read it out.
Really?
Yeah, read it all out.
I'd be honoured if you'd please consider me for entry to win the Tutoro Trek kit for the following reasons. 1, I need one of these on my bike as it takes me so long to get ready to go anywhere. I'm always bloody late. I'm working on a number of solutions to that issue, but not having to worry about lubing my chain would definitely save me some time and help and improve my punctuality. 2, I'm sorry for sniffing, fellas, I've got man flu. Somebody complained about it in one of the videos.
Yeah, and in the last video we nearly got caught with hypothermia, didn't we?
And I have a broken nose and I can't breathe up one side of it, so it's all very complicated.
And he's got a gouged hand because we were fitting cameras.
I love a good gadget, as you know, and that looks like a quality piece of kit. And also that I've been told that by the next Rosper ride I should have a new piece of kit fitted. 3, I'm going to be out on my Wee-Strom a lot this year.
Wee-Strom?
Wee-Strom, he's got a 650 Strom, I think.
Oh, okay.
Now that I'm finally getting back fit and well again after 2 years of ill health. And he's put a little picture of a violin there. He said, Mark, that's the world's smallest violin playing, just in case you haven't got your gig lamps on. Plus the blue oil would stand out an absolute treat on the bike too. And 4, because I love you guys. And then he's put a PS. How bloody cold was it the day you filmed this video? You both look like you had early stage hypothermia. We had.
Yeah, we spent ages in hospital and now we've recovered.
But we're all right now, we're back now. So, Ade Riley.
Well done.
Get in touch, mate.
Yeah, get in touch. We'll leave a comment on your comment to say that you're a winner with instructions. Basically go to our website, send us an email or find out from Rosper our telephone number, give us a call.
And we'll work out how to post it to you. And
we'll get it to you. So, well done. And thanks again to the Tutoro team for sending us that Tutoro.
I think it's Nick and Jude.
For sending it to us. Really, really good bit of kit.
Next time you're down in Cornwall, give us a shout. If you're on a bike, Nick or Jude, and we'll take you out for a ride.
Yeah, that would be fun, wouldn't it?
It'd be great.
We could get oily.
We'd love to meet anybody actually who comes down. Give us a shout.
Yeah, and we are working on plans, aren't we, for our ride out sometime this year.
January.
But the weather's so changeable. Who knows what it's going to be when we organise it? But we'll give people a couple of months before, just to see if you.
But if it is cold, you can always buy a RiderCamTV hoodie.
Yeah, or
which I'm wearing one.
Baseball caps.
Baseball caps.
Yeah, you could even get
boxer shorts.
No boxer shorts, but we have got insulated mugs.
Insulated mugs
for that ride that you just need to get off and have something hot.
Marvellous.
Yeah, we thought of everything.
Yeah,
check it out. So well done, Ade. We'll see you all in the next video, and I'm sure there'll be much more competitions coming, won't there?
See you directly.
Bye.